Next up, one-man army, infil without any teammates and extract in the same deployment. Now this is a bit of a weird mission. We can enter a game with or without teammates and get the second one complete, or at least I did when I was searching for teammates. I'm playing solo. Basically, all you need to do is hop into a game and extract in the same game. There's no reason to finish any missions or anything like that. As far as I understand, you just need to run through to complete this mission. So turn off squad fill if you're playing solo. Otherwise, if you're not playing solo, you will need to play solo for this mission. Doesn't really matter what you go in with. Heck, you could go in with just fists. Just hope that you're close to an exfil, as that'll make this mission a lot easier. Okay, sweet. So hopping into a game here, we've now infilled without any teammates, and for some reason the mission has completed for me. In the previous game, I played solo and searched for teammates, then extracted, and things worked properly. I'm pretty sure that you don't need to complete any missions, you just need to run straight to an exfil and get out of the map. However, I'm not entirely sure. I'm 99% sure you can just run through, and assuming you spawn close enough to one, it's probably quick enough to just test it out without any other worries. If you do find that you do need to complete missions, please do let me know in the comments down below, as other people will need to know as well. Anyways, that's about it for this super quick guide. Thank you for watching. My name's been taking a bit of a troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.